Welcome everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is not going to be a video of like, oh look at these awesome hood latches I'm going to install. It's basically going to be an information video of people can comment on feedback whether or not they've had luck with those or not. I picked up these ones off Amazon earlier because I want to replace the rubber ones, and you can see that is pure rubbish. So I picked up these ones. I believe I bought them off eBay. They look like they're aluminum, powder coated. They got some extra spacers in the box, probably to, you know, adjust your tension and that. And looks like all stainless fasteners, which is good, right? You don't want to use metal, rust. The only problem with stainless is, of course, you got to use some anti-seize on them. Otherwise, gonna have some issues later on if you go take them off. So, that being said, let's start replacing them. Gonna tell you right now, your old ones not gonna come out this easy. Now you do gotta take it apart a little bit to install that piece on the bottom. It's not a big deal. Remember to use anti-seize so it doesn't come back to haunt you in the future. Well, then you can see right there, I just reassembled it. The hood piece is slotted so you can adjust your tension. It doesn't come with washers, so you will need to get washers. I just got one in there right now to test fit it. And then just gonna close the hood. And then I want to latch it, and you'll be able to tell how well it's gonna fit. I like it. I mean, it's a tight fit. I don't know about you guys, but I really like the look of these latches, and they feel solid. They don't feel cheap by any means. So overall, the construction of them is actually really good. I have no idea where they're from. They're an eBay special. Maybe you can get them on Amazon now. I don't know. The only thing I don't like about it is the fact that the screws may loosen out. You can Loctite them. I'm just gonna wing it and see what happens. The aluminum construction is nice. It comes with multiple pads. You can adjust it, which is nice, so you can make sure that your latches are tight. I'm pretty impressed with them. They're big and beefy. The real test will be once they're out on the road, am I gonna have any issues with vibration, knocking the latches open? But once again, this is not a video, like a review. This is just a feedback that if you guys have had these latches or have had them for a while, post your comments and feedback down below so other people know whether or not, and I will update as well if those are worth buying. I'll talk to you guys later.